Welcome, my name is Rahul and I would like to talk to you today about iOS and iPadOS deployment. The topic that's front of mind for most IT organizations is deployment. How do you get devices into the hands of users as quickly and as easily as possible? Our philosophy is always to make this process both simple and scalable. We are seeing businesses of all types all over the world being transformed by iPhone and iPad. Enterprises' workforces are increasingly mobile in response to the need of shortened business cycles, increasing efficiency and get closer to the customer. To be productive while mobile, users are bringing their personal devices and apps to work. IT recognizes they need to establish a deployment strategy that allows businesses to quickly roll out large scale of deployment of devices and apps whether for corporate or users owned devices. Before iPhone and iPad, the technology world was viewed through the desktop and system centric lens. Systems were complex, so they required specialized pre-configurations. Computer deployments were centralized and any trace of personalization was removed. The focus was on the consuming hand configured monolithic enterprise applications and infrastructure itself rather than what both of them could enable. The new deployment model is about simple, streamlined wireless setup, getting users up to the running in a minutes. We have invested the time and effort in iOS and iPadOS to make it easy, intuitive for users to set up themselves so companies no longer require huge services operations to manage rollouts. Instead, their process is hands-free and scalable, allowing IT to focus on innovating new processes for their organizations. It's not about system imaging anymore. Now it's about giving users a stake in the process by allowing them to personalize their own devices. Deploying in this way is all about being a light, flexible, and doing what's best for for your users. Let's get started with Apple deployments basics. Our North Star at Apple is creating the best possible user experience for our customers. In organizations, we care just as much about the experience for end users as we do for IT teams. That's why we put so much time into the experience of unboxing a product and setting it up for the first time. And that not only helps simplify the process for the end user, but it also helps streamline the process for IT. When thinking about deployment, our vision is that each users can unbox their devices, turn it on for the first time, and experience exactly what they are used to in the consumer space. When the user starts up their devices and select a network, the iPad or iPhone is identified as enrolled in an organization through Apple Business Manager and automatically configure itself with the policies and settings for that organization. Users can self select different approved apps to install, then see instantaneous productivity and apps like Mail and Calendar. This is made possible by Apple Business Manager, the device management framework with the third party device management solution and core technologies in our mobile operating system that enable management of certain features. Making device deployment streamlined and simple starts with the Apple Business Manager. Apple Business Manager is a centralized place for IT teams to manage device deployment, purchase and distribute content, and manage their organization. With Apple Business Manager, you can enroll devices seamlessly and work with MDM to automatically set up and configure them, buy apps and books in bulk, and manage licenses on users' devices. Create manage Apple IDs for employees and manage locations, pool or transfer content, licenses, and delegate administration privileges. The Device Enrollment Program (DEP) and the Volume Purchase Program (VPP) are seamlessly integrated into the Apple Business Manager. So now you can bring together everything needed to deploy iPhone and iPad, Mac computers, and Apple TV within your organization. Device enrollment is a key part of Apple Business Manager, providing a fast, streamlined way for you to deploy Apple devices that your organization has purchased directly from Apple or from participating authorized Apple authorized resellers or network providers. MDM servers can be set as the default based on a device type. For example, you can set one server as a default for Mac and other as a default for iPhone and iPad. The apps and books section of Apple Business Manager is now single unified place where organizations can buy content in a volume. The apps and books section also provide a variety of new features including easy transfer of licenses between different locations with your organizations and sharing of licenses between purchases within the same location. Designate other roles for IT teams in your organization to effectively manage devices, apps, and accounts within Apple Business Manager. Create managed Apple IDs for employees to collaborate with Apple apps and services as well as access work data in managed apps that use iCloud Drive. Leverage federated authentication by connecting Apple Business Manager with Microsoft Azure Active Directory. How MDM works is quite simple. Firstly, the device has to enroll with an MDM server, which includes installing a configuration profile that links the devices to the MDM server. This can be done by user directly. For company-owned devices, MDM enrollment can be automated using Apple Business Manager. Unbox the device and enroll with the MDM server. The MDM server sends configuration profile that are automatically and silently installed. If there are multiple devices, you need to install configuration profiles for each devices. Once enrollment is complete, the flow of control is as follows. The server queues up a command for the device and sends a notification to the device via the Apple Push Notification Services or APNs. MDM solutions use the APNs to maintain persistent communication with the devices across the both public and private networks. MDM requires multiple certificates to operate, including a APN's certificate to talk to clients and an SSL certificate to communicate securely. MDM solutions may also sign profiles with a certificate. The device receives the notification and contacts the server. Once connected to the server, it downloads and acts on the required command. For example, content may get delivered to the device.